The SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB gaming keyboard is an impressive addition to any gamer's setup, offering a range of features that enhance both comfort and performance. With its IP32 water-resistant design, you need not worry about accidental spills, ensuring your keyboard remains in top condition. The 10-zone RGB illumination is a real standout, providing a vibrant and customizable lighting experience that adds a touch of style to your gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its whisper-quiet gaming switches. These switches offer an incredibly smooth and silent typing experience, perfect for late-night gaming sessions or if you prefer a quieter environment. Despite their quiet nature, these switches are built to last, with a lifespan of 20 million key presses, ensuring durability and longevity. The premium magnetic wrist rest is a welcome addition, providing full palm support and comfort during extended gaming sessions. This feature, combined with the keyboard's dedicated multimedia controls, allows for easy volume adjustment and setting changes on the fly, further enhancing the overall user experience. In terms of compatibility, the Apex 3 is versatile, supporting Windows, Mac OS X, and various gaming consoles like the Xbox Series SX and PS4-PS5. Its wired connectivity ensures a stable and reliable connection, eliminating any potential lag or connectivity issues. Overall, the SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers seeking a combination of style, comfort, and performance. With its durable construction, customizable RGB lighting, and whisper-quiet switches, it offers an immersive gaming experience without compromising on quality. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, the Apex 3 is sure to elevate your setup and take your gaming to the next level.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.